All right, guys, we got the rush. Hopefully, Ian. Hopefully, getting more S1. Might be tough because of holiday weekend. We'll see how it rolls. Holiday week or whatever you call it. Gold Rush box break number 2, single box. Roll through the team owners over here. We got Arizona JB, Atlanta Hazy, Baltimore JB, Red Sox Nicky C, Cubs Joe, White Sox Nick C, Reds Joey, Indian Selness, Rockies Hazy, Tigers Beef, Astros Nicky C, Staten Island, KC Selness, Angels Nicky C, Dodgers Marino, Marlins. We got Nick C, Marlins Nick C, Brew Crew going to Gigi, Twins via Ellie Cat. We got Minnesota Twins selling this. Mets Kentaro Sato. Kentaro Sato, my sensei. We got Yankees Ellie, Oaktown Nico, Phillies Eric J, Pirates going to Selness, Giants going to Nick C, Mariners Mad C, Cardinals going to JB, Tampa Bay Selness, Rangers going to Dash, and Nationals going to Dale. Bo Bale. One, two, number 3. 4, 5, 6, number 4. Good luck, guys. Gold Rush. Keep these boxes right here. I could use those. You know. For the Cleveland Indians, Jim Thome. Bobome. That is, what year is that? Can't see the year. High Tech Auto. Assuming that's High Tech. Indians. That is Selness. Yeah, Ellie bought you. Gigi, Ellie bought you the Brewers as a gift. And we got a sick, flawless patch auto nastiness. That is Garrett Cole. For the... Who's Garrett Cole? It says University of California. Oh. It goes who he currently plays for. It goes to the team he currently plays for. Gigi. Ellie. Gigi said thank you. He didn't understand it first. Who does Cole currently play for? Yankees. Going to Yankees. Wow. That is dirty. No logo. No logo. Goes to the team he currently plays for. Since it is Yankees. Sick hit. Going to Ellie Bobelli. Positive vibes today. And last but not least, ooh, this is a Fat Tay sachet. And we got a Transcendence BGS Origin Sketch 9.5, number to 83, Ted Williams for the Red Sox. That should be Nikki C. from Staten Island. Pretty sure. Yes, it is. Nikki C. from Staten Island. All right, so we had Nasty Flawless, Tommy, and Transcendent BGS 9.5. Nice Transcendent. All right, guys, thank you for that one. Appreciate it. We got one box left on Gold